guys! Good afternoon. Welcome back again my channel. Andito kami sa bahay ng isang asawa ko. Andito yung anak ko makulit. Andito kami sa isang bahay ng asawa ko. Walang tao.
Mati kakapupo.
Ipapasyal ko kayo dito sa loob.
Sa
Dito,
loob.
andun yung bahay namin sa tapat.
Bahay
Andun yun.
namin sa pat pupo. Nyam nyam.
You're actually saying it, Jay.
Please.
Hello.
Malabad kasi ito si Jem.
No, malabad si mama.
Say hi, Kat.
No, I never say hi.
Itong bahay ng asawa ko, walang tao. Andun
You just
kami
said it,
nakatira doon sa tapat. Tapat, malapit lang. Ito, dito, yung bahay ng asawa ko. May kukunin lang namin sa loob.
Hallelujah.
We're taking
Overcrowded
a trip
doon
in a
sa
favorite
bahay
piece of
namin
shit.
na isa. So,
Really,
ginagay lang
stop
muna ng
signs. We're gonna
stock room
die.
namin itong bahay. Walang tao. Open
So
na, babe.
let's
You
explore.
cannot open. I will open.
Chocolate.
Break it.
What are you doing?
Taco.
You cannot.
Sisi.
Don't. What you inside your mouth? Garbage.
Small bud.
Hey. Open na. Get inside.
She slapped
Andito na
me.
kami sa loob.
She slapped me. Ow.
Malabad kasi. Kaya ganun. Andito na kami sa loob. May kukunin namin. Mas you need to. Magandang house na ito. Gusto ko dito kaso ayaw ng asawa ko. So, madaming mga gamit. Dadalhin namin ito sa Philippines para sa bahay namin doon. There is no. Ito ang closet, mga damit ng asawa ko.
Bunny, rabbit. Wake up.
It's nice house. I like, right?
What?
Say hi, Winchi.
Yeah, even the animals.
Say hi.
You did it.
What is that? Hoy, don't do you. Ano? Making mannequin. Ay! You like here, right? That's nice here. Basta. Sa isang bahay namin, very crowded. Kaya, linagay namin yung mga gamit dito.
I have a tattoo.
Jem, get the rice here. Look. Kuha kami ng open sa refrigerator. Yung may chicken, malaking chicken, turkey. Awan ko kung sabi na asawa ko, kuha daw kami ng bigas. Awan ko, wala naman rice dito. Ito pala, spaghetti noodles ito. Jem! Come here, be! Look. Tingnan ko kung may rice ba dito. Wala naman rice dito. Ano lang naman ito.
Because the rocking chair is rocking.
Ito ang cabinet.
It.
Puro mga ano lang.
And then
Mga
the
plate.
rocking chair turns like this head.
Empty. Kasi walang tao dito. 40 years. 40 years yung bahay ng asawa ko. Walang tao. Walang nakatira. Mga gamit lang dito. Ito ang kitchen niya dito. Oh, mga gamit doon dinagay dito. Ito ang refrigerator. Kaya kitchen niya.
You could have made a video here.
Ha?
You could have made a video here if the house was still alive.
Yeah, it's nice here. Winch, sabi niya, maganda daw itong bahay kaysa doon sa isa. Gusto kasi na asawa ko doon kasi andun yung shop niya. Para sa akin, gusto ko dito, pero ayaw niya, aywan ko lang. Sige lang, puro lahat mga gamit linagay dito.
Cat, come here. Want to see the others? No. They're just the same size.
Santa Claus. Santa Claus.
Mom says Santa Claus one more time. I'm gonna die.
Don't bring that because daddy will put that in the trash can. Kaya lahat mga kalat ng gamit, sabi ni daddy, lagay sa trash can.
I look like you.
Why is Mom say trash can?
Cat, I
Lahat
should
na.
not dare you to go in
Oh,
that
you need to look the rice, B. Go look the rice.
How dare you?
Please,
You have to live
no.
with the living tins, and that means one of the living
Dito.
I'll go in that room and come back out. Or you'll have to live here. Really, if you don't do it in
You
2
find
days.
the rice?
Woohoo!
Go look the rice, B.
No! Don't be scared! You're gonna
I
escape!
know, you... Oh my God. Ano, nahulog na ng...
Puppy! Puppy!
Hulog yung... may kat-kat. Showing her toy.
Go home.
Si hi. Ito ang bunso ko. Makulit.
Weirdo. Endo girl. Hold your brother.
Hey! Sige na. I will tell daddy.
Ma,
Sige na. We go back there. Daddy will looking to us na.
Ma, look!
Where is it, James? Where's the bunny?
It's right there.
Ano, tagal lang ano dito. 40 years. Walang nakatira.